Hi children, I've come with this book. What's That Noise? By Francesca Simon, David Melling. What's that noise? One night, Harry went to sleep at Grandpa and Grandma's house. For the first time in his life, Harry slept in a strange bed in a strange room. It was very dark. Suddenly, Harry heard a strange noise. Sputter-click, whoosh. Grandpa, come quickly, shouted Harry. What's that noise? Grandpa ran upstairs to Harry's room. No noise here, no noise there, no noise anywhere. And then suddenly, sputter-click, whoosh. Harry, it's only the radiator. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Everything was quiet until Nana. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only a fire engine. Nano. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Everything was quiet again until rumble. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only an aeroplane. Rumble, vroom. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Everything was quiet until rat-tat. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only Mrs. Ruffle next door hammering. Rat-tat. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. For a while, everything was quiet. Grandpa settled down in his comfy bed and read his book. Suddenly, he heard a strange snuffling noise. Snuffle. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? I don't know, said Grandma. They heard the snuffling, ruffling again, only this time it was louder. I think the noise is coming from Harry's room, whispered Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa tip-top up the stairs to the attic. The snuffling noise got louder and closer. Slowly, Grandma opened Harry's door. Grandpa, it's only Harry snuffling and snoring. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Isn't it a sweet book? Harry was very scared of all those noise. But it was nothing. Okay, children. Meet you in my next book. Bye.